Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil maintenance on a Lexus RX 350. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, look at your multi-information display and confirm that the odometer is showing. If it's not, simply press the trip button until the odometer reading appears. This sets us up for the next steps. Now let's move to the next crucial step. Turn your ignition completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold the trip button. While still holding the trip button down, turn the ignition back to the on position. Keep holding the button. You'll see a message or a series of dashes appear on the display, indicating you're in the reset process. Continue to hold the trip button. You'll notice the display showing resetting or a similar message, and a progress bar or dashes might appear. Keep holding until the display changes to complete or shows all zeros for the trip meter. Once you see this confirmation, you can release the trip button. The oil maintenance light should now be off. To confirm the reset was successful, go ahead and start your Lexus RX 350 engine. The oil maintenance light should now be off. If it's still on, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire procedure from the beginning, ensuring you follow each step precisely. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter clean. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.